Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on color correction and how to use it. Friends, you want to on, friends you want to use color correction on your oppo phone device. So how to on and use color correction on oppo phone. In this video friends we will talk about it. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to use color correction. What is color correction and how to on and use? Friends, first of all we will on guys oppo phone additional setting guys. Additional setting guys, you can find color correction. After on accessibility friends, you can see language setting. Friends, you want to add any language, friends you want to change any language, so you can change guys your phone language. Friends, you can see date and time. Friends, you want to change phone date and time, so you can change from here. Friends, click on accessibility setting and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see magnification setting, color correction. Then we'll click on color correction. Friends, you can see color correction is off. First we will on it. After guys, friends, you can see color correction mode setting, and you can change red green and blue yellow, so you can change from here guys. After on friends, you can see color correction guys, screen color will change and phone icon color will also change guys. You can see icon color has removed. Then we have different color. Friends, you can see. So guys, we call it color correction, and once you want to on, so you can on and you can use it. So after the screen will show like that. And once you don't want to use your color correction, so open your phone setting guys, and friends click on direct guys search option color setting guys. Color setting we will search here. As you can see color correction friend, we will tap here. Friends, you can see color correction, tap here. You don't want to use guys, tap here, your color correction will off. And friends, you can see skin color normal mean default, icon color guys we have. So like the guy we can on and use color correction on oppo phone device. So bye guys.